All right, one last one here, number 5. So it gives you a bunch of stuff, and it wants to know which of the gases it might actually be. Well, since you know all their formulas, you know their molar masses, so this is just a sneaky way of them asking the same thing as number 4. You're just going to have to go through and do a little bit more work when you are done. So this is PV is equal to nRT, or PV is equal to the grams per the molecular weight, RT, or again, the molecular weight is equal to GRT over PV, just like it was before. So I gave you all of these things. I gave you that it was 276 grams. I gave you that it was atmospheres, so I'm going to go ahead and use the 0.0821, and that's liter atmospheres per mole Kelvin. I gave you that it was 120 degrees Celsius, so what's that going to be? 393 in Kelvin, because again, it's got to be in Kelvin, so that's 393 in Kelvin. I told you that the pressure was 1.2 atmospheres, and I told you that the volume was 82 liters. So you go through and you solve this using your calculator, unless you're really good in your head on that. I know I'm not. So 276 at 0.0821 at the 393 divided by the 1.2 divided by the 82 gets you about a mass of about 90.5 grams per mole, give or take. So now the question becomes, which of these has a mass of about 90? So all you do is pick up your calculator and get a periodic table and start doing some quick calculations on these guys. So 6 carbons at 12 each is 72, and 8 more there, and 2 at 35.5, that's about 71. That guy has a mass of about 151, so that's no good. Let's see, this next guy here, I've got 4 carbons at 12 is 48, 7 hydrogens is 7, a 16 for the oxygen, and a 19 for the fluorine. That's about 90. Oh, that's probably your guy right there. That's going to be tough to get closer than that. For completeness' sake, we'll check the other ones out. 5 carbons at 12 each is 60, and 10 for those, and 32 for the 2 oxygens. That's 102. That's not the end of the world, but the 90 is certainly closer. And then 4 carbons is 48, and 8 hydrogens is 8 more, and then a 79.9 and another 79.9 for the other bromine there. That's about 216 or so. So yeah, definitely that guy there is the closest at 90.